we'll begin with our program. जैसा कि आपको पता है कि Binance की तरफ से आज हम सब यहाँ पे जुड़े हैं. So I extend a very, very warm welcome. A very, very warm welcome on behalf of Binance. जैसा कि आपको पता है, this is Binance Blockchain Yatra, Ahmedabad. Officially इस program को हम आगे बढ़ाएंगे and official welcome तो बनता है. And for the official welcome, we have our very beautiful member here. He is none other than Kushal, Regional Growth and Ops Lead South Asia at Binance. और जो कि हमारे इस जर्नी में हमारे साथ है, हमारी कंपनी को आगे ले जाने में, इंडिया में स्पेशली इनका काफ़ी बहुत अच्छा कंट्रीब्यूशन है. सो एक बार दोनों हाथ ऊपर करके जोरदार तालियों के साथ इनका स्वागत करेंगे. वी हैव मिस्टर कुशल हियर. सो ओवर टू यू.
Thank you, Kalpana. So we'll get going with a quick intro about Binance. So Binance is like the biggest like ecosystem. Yeah. So not like a cryptocurrency exchange, so that's there definitely, but we consider ourselves as the biggest ecosystem which is helping the crypto and the blockchain industry grow. When we started, I think this is an amazing story of how Binance has, moved so quickly and again, in terms of the age of our company, and if you see 280 million users, देख के तो लगता होगा कि 20-30 साल पुरानी कंपनी है वैसे, but we are just like, I think approximately like 8 years, maybe. So we are still like teenagers in some case, like we are still figuring things out. And even before our teenage days, like in just 6 months, we became from zero to the number one exchange by trading volume. Just 6 months. So imagine like the pace at which, we were able to build. And all this happened because of the community and the user-focused approach that we had. So as you're part of this community here, and hopefully you're also our users, you're just not part of a crypto exchange. It's not that you're just using crypto and doing something. You're part of this like huge ecosystem which is there around Binance. So congratulations for being part of this entire ecosystem and not just like part of a crypto exchange. Okay. And what's in for store today? So we have an electrifying panel today. And the theme is about understanding and understanding from the experts today that how can India be ready for 2047? So what is the role of blockchain Web3 towards making India the Viksit Bharat, that the vision that we have as all Indians. So today we'll discuss that, and of course there'll be lots of fun stuff to enjoy.
It's time to dive into our very first conversation. Of course, that is our first panel discussion, and the topic for our panel discussion is India at 2047. Innovation is not an option. Gujarat takes the lead. This is the topic, and please welcome to the stage our moderator, Mr. Manoj Singh. He is the founder of TICE, along with speakers.
In your startup, what exactly do you do? How do you serve this startup ecosystem in Gujarat?
What we are basically focusing is the same challenge in the manufacturing sector, that the people who are running the plant, right, they have a very, very primitive ways of working, right? And we at Digitalize are trying to modernize that using very user-friendly ecosystem, CapEx-friendly solutions.
Marrying the DPI and Web3 innovation that we have right now, I think India can set a benchmark that how it is done, right? Like many countries, they do certain things, they have like certain use cases, maybe the developed economies, they have like some set things, how they do. Some other nations, they do some stuff in their own way. But India is like so unique. The use cases that we have are like so unique. So only the entrepreneurs like Simran can understand what the problem statement here.
हम लोग यूथ को इंडस्ट्री से कनेक्ट करते हैं और इंडस्ट्री को ये बताते हैं कि आप ये भ्रम में मत रहे कि सिर्फ यूथ को आपकी ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि इंडस्ट्री के पास दो बात है, एक्सपीरियंस है एंड पोटेंशियल ऑफ स्केल है, और यूथ के पास टेक्नोलॉजी है, इनोवेशन है और स्पीड है।
Topic for our next panel discussion is Web3, AI and deep tech, innovation, entrepreneurship and opportunities. So please welcome on stage our moderator, Mr. Kushal Manupati, along with our speakers.
So, Apur, first question to you. So, how is the entrepreneurial trend in the India's like Web3, AI, and emerging technology ecosystem? Like, what is it? Is it like rocket? Is it like what's happening here?
So it's definitely rocket. So I have been a part of the ecosystem for around 1.5 decades, right? So I've seen the time when if a middle class salaried employee want to do a startup, I as an incubation manager need to talk to their parents and convince them, right? So I've seen that time. Now entrepreneurship, starting up your own business, seems a viable career that can generate generational wealth for a common folk.
What we see now is more seriousness. Earlier, Web3, you would see a lot more solutions which are either focused on gaming or mining or different sectors, right? Now we see it is much more serious. When I say it is much more serious, we operate this gift fintech innovation hub in Gift City, right? We see solutions coming up which are regtech, which are fintech, which are of course, tokenization and all that is still there. But regtech, fintech, where blockchain or Web3 applications are there. So we see a lot more vertical and serious solutions which are coming up within Web3.
All right, Ahmedabad. Now is the time to switch gears. We have talked enough. Now let's see how much you have been listening. Brains on, phones out. It's Kahoot quiz time. Yes. Quick, fun, and guaranteed to get competitive. And yes, winners take home some exciting prizes. So please join me in welcoming Brian from Binance to moderate the quiz. Give a huge round of applause for him. Come on.
Thank you so much. Okay, the Kahoot quiz is very simple. A lot of people came in here, grabbed some prizes and all. Now it's your chance to take away those prizes. Okay, and I want everyone to play this game. It's a fun game. Even if you don't want the prize, it's okay. But it's a fun game to play. And everybody can participate into it. Okay, quiz time. As of July 2025, approximately how many registered users does Binance have globally? I think Kushal said it the first way itself. 50 million, B 100 million, C 200 million, and D 280 million. Very simple. Oh, 148 answers are already. People were listening to the first keynote. It's really good. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is D, 280 million. Oh, 92 people got it right. Too cool, man, too cool. Next question. You're getting a gist of it, right? Very simple. Okay, who's first now? Harshal stands first, Bhavya second, Sumil third, Rohan fourth, and Umang 5. Let's go to the next question. 7. What is Binance Square? What is Binance Square? A physical location for Binance offices, a community platform for discussion and updates, a new trading pair, a staking reward program. A, physical location. B, community. C, a new trading pair. D, a staking reward program. Come on. 138, 150. I'm waiting for that 150 number there. Here we go. The answer is a community platform for discussion and updates. And we have a Binance Square session every 2 weeks, okay? Last time we had 30,000 people joining in that. So really great. We had, how many people? 80 people answering it. Good. This time the leaderboard will change, for sure. Aha, that's what. Dara stands first, Jimmy comes second, Delta W coming up, Bhavya coming fourth, Dharam coming fifth. Okay. What is the name of the first cryptocurrency exchange traded fund approved in the United States? ETF. A. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC. B. ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, BITO. C. Van Hyck Bitcoin Trust. And the last D. Bitwise 10 Crypto Index Fund. Yeah. The right answer is ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, BITO. The third prize stands Bhavya. Second, XAPOI. And the first, who's first? It's Jimmy Raj. Amazing, amazing. I would request Jimmy Raj, the second place, to XAPOI. I mean, I don't know who's this, but yeah. And Bhavya to come out to stage and collect the prizes from Kushal. We'll also give prizes for 2 more people, all the top 5, Dhara and Saumil also, because they did a lot of work right from the first try. Okay.
So I'll invite all our speakers of today on stage for a group photo, Everybody on the stage. Okay, thank you. Now we have this spectacular afternoon it was today. It's time to hear from someone who represents the spirits and vision of Binance in India, to share his gratitude, reflections, and a message as we wrap up the second stop of our journey. Please join me in welcoming Brian once again from Binance team for the official vote of thanks.
So first of all, thank you dignitaries and the expert panels for coming onto the stage and explaining things and giving insights to the whole community. So thank you so much for the guest list and the speakers out there. Secondly, I would like to thank the main part of what Binance is, that we always say that we are more and more always user focused. So thank you users, each and everybody out here. We really love our community and we are always user focused. So thank you so much for the 200 plus people who are here. So thank you the community, thank you Binance community for taking out your time on this Saturday and joining in this session. So thank you so much to all the people who have attended. Yeah, signing off from the Binance Blockchain Yatra, Ahmedabad. Thank you.
All right. Now it's a time for a group photo. So firstly, I'll invite our Binance team here on the stage. So I'll request all of you to kindly join us here on stage for a group photo. And later on, I'll request the audience to kindly stay back because we have a group photo with the audience as well. So please, can we start? Come on.